Understanding, no problem, a simple guide for English learners. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase you've probably heard quite often, no problem. We're going to explore what it means, how to use it, and some interesting nuances that come with it. So, whether you're an English learner or just curious about the language, stay tuned. No problem is a phrase we often use in English as a response to someone thanking us or apologizing. Essentially, it means, you're welcome, or, that's okay. It's a casual and friendly way to acknowledge someone's thanks or apology without making a big deal out of it. For example, if someone says, "Thank you for helping me," you can simply reply, "No problem." Understanding the right context for using "no problem" is important. It's generally used in informal situations and with people you know well, like friends or colleagues. In a formal or business setting, you might want to use more formal language, like, "You're welcome," or, "It was my pleasure." Also, no problem is often used when the task or favor was not a big inconvenience. If you've gone to great lengths to help someone, a more heartfelt response might be appropriate. English is full of variations, and no problem is no exception. You might hear phrases like, "No worries, it's all good," or "Don't mention it." These all carry a similar meaning and can be used interchangeably in many situations. However, the tone and context should guide which one you choose. In different English-speaking cultures, no problem can have slightly different connotations. For instance, in some places, it's a very laid-back, almost nonchalant response. In others, it might be seen as more formal. Understanding these subtle differences comes with exposure to the language and its various cultural contexts. And that's a wrap on no problem. We hope this video has shed some light on this common English phrase and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Remember, language learning is all about practice and exposure, so don't hesitate to try using no problem in your next English conversation. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.